Hey guys, so in part 13 of the Laravel for e-commerce series, I'll continue with setting up the admin dashboard here, where on the initial admin link, you'll be able to see your recent orders and users, as well as we'll update the styling here. So it's using the dashboard template, and then we added the menu links here for products, categories, orders, and users. So if this is something you'd like to learn how to do, then watch this video. Okay, so we'll continue with improving the styling of our admin dashboard because right now it's just like a blank page. So I'll use the styling from our dashboard page like here. So I'll just import this template into the admin dashboards as well so that it's styled nicely. Okay, so let's go back into VS Code. Okay, and then over here, we're pretty much just going to copy the dashboard here. Okay, and then we're going to go into our admin index. We'll just paste this underneath here, and then, okay, so we'll just take in this container here, and then we'll just remove the table here, and then update it with the admin dashboard. Okay, and just double check, and this looks good, and then let's just remove the other values over here. Okay, let's save this, and then let's double check our website. Okay, so I'll refresh. So the dashboard looks good, and let's go to the admin. Awesome, so now the admin is a lot cleaner. Okay, so next let's work on adding the latest orders and users here, as well as updating like the navigation here, and we'll add some buttons just so it'll be easy to access your products, categories, users, and orders. Okay, so let's continue with that. Let's go back into VS Code and edit our templates. Okay, so let's just remove the H1 here. Okay, so yeah, we can just remove everything here. So we'll update it all. And then up here in the H2, we can just change this to admin. Okay, and then just copy the data from our orders index. Okay, so this table over here. So we'll just copy this first. Now for this, I'm just going to get the orders, the latest 5 orders. So I'll update that in the controller. Okay, so go back into the admin index, paste it within the dashboard. Okay, and then we can give this table a title of recent orders, and then we'll give it a class of XXL, font bold, margin bottom of 4. Okay, and save that. Okay, and then underneath we'll do, let's say, latest users as well. So again, we can go here into users index and just copy the table again here. Okay, so just change this to manage users. Forgot to change this in the last video. And then we can just copy the table here again. And then inside our admin index, just scroll down, add another table here. And then we'll give it an H2 again of recent users. Okay. So we'll get like the latest 10 orders and the latest 5 users. Okay, so now let's work on our controller here. Okay, over here in the admin controller, now what we want to do is fetch the correct data. So we need to import our models that we need. So we need orders. So import our orders model and import our users model. Okay. This looks good. And then now we just need to fetch some data. So let's go recent orders. It's equal to order latest. Let's say do 5 because we don't have that much in the database. So we'll just do 5 and then get. And then recent users is equal to user latest, take 5 as well, and then get. Okay, and then we're going to return our index view, but with the data now. So compact recent orders. And recent users. Okay, this looks good. So now let's go and update our admin view and just use that data. Okay, so we just need to replace this one here for recent orders. And then down here, make it recent users. Okay, and now let's just double check our admin. Okay, refresh. Okay, so undefined variable. Okay, so again, just over here in the admin controller, just forgot the brackets. So just close these off. Okay, and this should be good. And let's try again. Refresh. Okay, awesome. So now the tables are showing. You just need to fix the styling here. Okay, and then we'll apply the same styling to the recent users table and recent orders table. Okay, and then we'll also apply just some styling here to separate them, but it's looking good. Okay, so back in VS Code. So now we just need to update our admin index template here. Okay, just change this to admin dashboard. Okay, and then we can copy the classes here for this H2. And then give it some margin top as well. Okay, so now with the table, just remove the background white. Change it to text white. As well as over here for the recent users table. So change this also to text white. Okay, let's save and hope it looks better. So go back and refresh. Awesome. So this is working as expected. I'll just import some new data. So I'll just do this off the video just to save time. I'll just go and make another user and 2 more orders. Okay, awesome. So I made some new orders over here, and then we can see that the recent orders table is being filled as well as the recent users table. So awesome. So this is working. So now let's finish off by adding a navigation here to manage our products, orders, and categories and users. So it'll just be like 4 links to access those indexes. So we can just add it over here. Okay, so now we're gonna add in the navigation. So what we need to do is just put this in a flex. So I'll give it flex, justify between, and then item center. Okay, and then put in the H2 over here. And then we'll create an add class. And then that will have a class of space x4. Okay, and then we'll just add in our routes here. So first will be products. So a tag, and then will lead to route admin products index. Okay, so products, so we can just copy this 3 more times. So this one will be categories, orders, and users. Okay, and then just edit all of these. And then orders. Okay, users, and this one is orders. Okay, save this, and now let's check. Okay, and refresh. Awesome, so they're just showing up here. So now I'm gonna just make them text white and have a little bit of space in between and a bit bigger. Okay, so over here in the navigation, let's just add some more spacing in between. So we'll do x6, and then I'll just make the text white, and then also text medium. Okay, save that, and now let's check. Okay, and refresh. Okay, great. So now we have our links over here. So we have products, categories, orders, and users. Okay, awesome. So now we have a nicer displayed admin dashboard here, as well as links to our other resources. This concludes the end of part 13 of the Laravel for e-commerce series. Please like and subscribe to stay up to date with the series and future videos. And if you'd like to get in contact with me to work on your web development projects such as Laravel or WordPress, then you can book a consultation in the description link below. And thanks for watching.